Excellencies, first of all, before I deliver my speech for today, let me introduce myself. My name is Febyola. I'm from Junior High School 3 Naklik. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is my speech about how to make better decisions with 3 powerful habits. You're faced with new decisions every hours of every day. But sometimes it's as simple as choosing which shoes to wear to work. But when important moments that require decisive action came around, it can be difficult to make the right decision without a process to do so. Why is it important to make good decisions? Individual decisions might not seem to matter that much in the moment. Usually, it's the repercussions of those decisions that have an impact on your life. Making better decisions leads to better. When you make better decisions, it also means you're learning from your mistakes. And learning from your mistake is a crucial aspect of personal development. Making good decisions is also important in your work life and for your work-life balance. It can help you further your career and create better results from your work. Good decision making can help you achieve greater job and life satisfaction. Are you wondering how to make big decisions effectively? Here are 3 habits that will show you how to make better choices in life. 1. Leave yourself some place to reflect in your mistakes and successes. You won't learn from your mistakes if you don't take the time to reflect on them. That's why you should make it a habit to carve out a regular time in your schedules for reflection. This can also help improve your mental fitness. This isn't just to dwell on your mistake or beat yourself up about bad decision. Use it as a time pause period to honestly review your day's decision and consider why some proved to be better or worse than others. Reflect on what caused you to make mistake. Maybe an assumption was way off, or you didn't seek any other input. Maybe you didn't give yourself time to think, or you reacted out of fears. Analysis on situation and look others possible alternative you may have had. What did you learn? What did you do differently tomorrow as a result? You won't be able to take back your mistake, but you can make it a habit to learn from those decisions in order to improve your decision-making skills. 2. Analyze your own self-confidence. It's important to have confidence, especially when you're showing up for a new role at work. But overconfidence can negatively impact your decision-making process. In medicine, studies show that overconfidence can lead to diagnosis errors. To keep your overconfidence in check, make it a habit to analyze yourself regularly. Are you 100% confident that you know exactly what you are doing? If you are, you might be suffering from overconfidence. You won't be right all the time, even if you believe you can be. 3. Aware of your mental heuristic. Heuristics are mental shortcuts that people use to make quick decisions. Heuristics can be helpful by reducing the mental effort you need to make decisions, helping you with problem solving. Make it a habit to recognize when you jump conclusions and question why you jump to certain conclusions. or make certain decisions. And 10 effective decision making tips. Developing the right habits it is important in order to make a good calls. But what can you do when you're finally confronted with a tough decision? Here are 10 decisions to help you learn how to make good decisions faster. 1. Imagine yourself 1 year into the future. And 2. Write down your goals. 3. Identify at least 4 alternatives. And 4. Figure out what you don't know. And 5. Step away from the situation. 6. Face your mistake. And 7. Seek out feedback. And 8. Look at the long-term and short-term consequences. And 9. Analyze data. And 10. Identify your values and stay true to them. I think that's all from my performance speech for today. Thanks for your attention, and I hope from the speech I delivered it can make your life even better with all these things. And don't forget to smile, to always look happy. I'm Febyola. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.